everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix save game unexpected error has occurred while saving error code 16 in Sims 3. So all you have to do is just to go to your desktop and then search for this PC. After that, click on Documents, Electronic Arts. This where the files are, games are stored. Go to the Sims 3 and then saves. As you can see, this is your save in the Sims 3. And as you can see here, we have .bad folder. This is what is causing the problem here. So all you have to do is just select it with one click and then right click on it and then click on delete. After deleting it, refresh this page and then go back to your game. Make sure to click accept on this on the error and then click on save. Make sure to save it, and it will may take few times, but don't worry, it will fix your problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.